Political ground shake for Edo State as APC don't gather momentum well. For inside Okada, Ovia Northeast local government area, Governor Gov Okpebholo show face as big people wey waka comot from PDP land for APC hand. Now here the governor ginger crowd say APC go clear the by-election without wahala. The atmosphere hot as Honorable Andrew Edobo Zamere, where they represent Ovia North Constituency 2 for Edo Assembly, Honorable Peter Ehato, former council Chemo, Honorable Waifo, Honorable Christopher Igodalo, and plenty of their supporters join APC, where make the gathering one real crossover movement. As Governor Okpebholo handled the mic, he no waste time to let the people know say Edo na in route and say he no dey do high service governance. A constitution style throw mouth give the previous government, say them only dey remember projects when election don near, say but for in government, projects no dey stop. Governor Okpebholo still open mouth say im go run things wella for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu second term, say im dey sure say 2.5 million votes go land gidigba from Edo. On top the by-election wey dey come for Ovia Federal Constituency, the governor come talk say im go show face again for campaign to let the people know why dem suppose vote APC. He come introduce APC House of Rep candidate wey dem don nickname Madam Project, and for the fun side, the governor come hail im deputy, Right Honorable Dennis Idausa, as im call am Mr. Project, wey make the crowd holla with joy.
They are saying people are decamping, people are decamping. This one is decamping with difference. Why are we working for Edo people? Because we are Edo people. We are not foreigners. We are not borrowed from somewhere. I grew up there. So if I am from here, my deputy the same style, the same way he grew up. If we are from here, we must work for our people. So that is why you see us. We move from one school to another school to renovate and make sure that our children are well educated. That is why we are tying our roads so that our brothers, our father, our mother can fly good road. We are not waiting to maybe 3 weeks or 1 month or 3 months to election before we roll out projects. No, it shouldn't be like that. That is what we experienced in the past governments. In that way, Edo can never be developed. So I am thanking all the people that came out today to support and to join us in this party. When I was promising the president 2.5 million votes, people said, how? But it is coming to reality today. Is it not possible? Is it not settled in Edo? Today, our work will speak for us. By the time we are 3 years in Edo State, Edo people will sit down to thank God. God, thank you for this government you are giving us. I used to pity people that walk around me. Why? Because we are always on the move to see that the work is done, the work is completed. Now, next few days, I'll be coming back here, not to receive the decampees, but to campaign. To let our people know that the choice for Ovia Federal Constituency is the right choice for the people. You have tested that before. Mr. Project is now handing it into another Madam Project. Is that not so?
Other people wey talk for the event na Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idausa and APC State Chemo Emperor Jared Tenebe, as dem yarn say na sake of Oga Governor good work na im make people dey jump enter APC like Sena Cruz.
By the grace of God, these amazing people gave me the privilege to represent them for 6 years. Ovia wawa say una do well. Ovia, yeah. Now, we have also decided that my sister, Honorable Gabriela Igbenedion, will be representing us henceforth. She is supposed to be here in this meeting, but she is currently representing us even before we have sent her to Abuja to represent us in Abuja. But she is representing us in a good form. And very soon, in a couple of days, she will be here with us to start the campaign. And she has asked me to send her greetings to our people, the people of Ovia Federal Constituency. Having said that, my people, I want all of you to join me to thank Executive Governor of Edo State. Why? The Executive Governor of Edo State decided to choose your son as his deputy. Thank him. That's number one. Number two, let me break it down now. Una see Ohun Road from Express to Siloko Road. Una see say caterpillar they work there. Who they do? Who they do? That one number three. Una go Ekewan Barrack. From Ekewan Barrack all the way now they go Gelegele. Una see what did happen there? All to now people there, yeah. All to now people there, yeah. Okay, the people there, yeah. Who they do that road? In short, I never come for campaign. When the time come for campaign, una go see. God bless you.
We received our brother, Honorable Zame, at the party headquarters. And because our office is so small, we need a bigger one, and it will not be able to accommodate all its supporters. We all agreed that we were coming here today to receive him again and all his supporters. I want to assure our brothers that are coming into our fold that APC is a party that is hospitable and gives everybody equal opportunity. I am a living example to that. The very day I got to my ward to identify and join APC, that was the day I became the Deputy State Chairman of Edo State. And that will tell you that as you are joining us today, we are all equal. We are the same opportunity that the old members has. And we want to encourage you that what is due to the old members is also due to you guys. And by the power conferred on me by the leaders of the party in Edo State, as the chairman of this party in Edo State, in fact the best chairman in Nigeria, I have to praise myself. I welcome all of you into the progressive fold today to the glory of God, and that all the benefits that you were unable to get in the sinking ship called PDP, you will receive it in 1 million fold in APC. You are welcome to APC, and may God continue to empower us as we grow all together. Thank you. You are welcome to APC. I think you have been welcome into the party. And I'm happy to receive my brother back into the party. You know I'm a very emotional person. I'm becoming emotional. Today, being the chairman of the party in Edo State, I received my brother, Honorable Peter Ekato, and all other leaders coming into this party. You are welcome to APC, Honorable Peter Ekato, and I believe that APC will be a better place for you than where you were before now. You are welcome to APC with the glory of God. Welcome. And my brother Ozed, you are welcome to APC. Use the broom to get all members that have just joined us today. You have to open your hands to receive them. We must not create divisions. That is the reason why the governor is here and his deputy, to ensure that all of us join hands together. Now that we no more have any other political parties in Ovia Northeast and in the state, we are sending a very clear message to all other political parties, most especially the elections that is coming now and the ones that are coming in the future, that you should not stand on our way, because if you do, you will be our way.
The new APC members, Honorable Zamre and Honorable Ekato, for their part, Yan said them happy well to join the party and then ready to work hand in hand to move Edo forward.
I want to thank every single one of all the leaders of Ovia Northeast, the leaders of Edo South. I want to thank you all. Thank you for welcoming back home. It's actually a homecoming for me. Distinguished Governor, I want to thank you most profoundly for this opportunity to collaborate with you, to work closely with you for the development of Edo State and also for the development of Ovia Northeast local government area. Your Excellency, I come with me with a strong track record of performance and a track record of electoral victories. And I'll bring this to bear in the forthcoming election, the by-election, and subsequent elections. Your Excellency, I had the capacity to have moved everybody from Ovia Northeast Constituency 2, but for logistical reasons, I decided and I will go back to their respective communities because I'm a grassroots man to interface with them. But I assure you that the entire constituency 2 of Ovia Northeast, they are with me. And I will deliver them in all the elections. Your Excellency, I thank you so much for the confidence that you have in me. And I want to assure you that I will never disappoint you.
For me, it's two ways. First, I call it homecoming. Like the state chairman rightly said, precisely 23rd of March 1996, I was made the chairman of Ovia Northeast local government by his own grace and by the grace of my uncle, the Oka of Eshiwa Ward, Professor Omosede, in this same hall. That was my beginning of politics. I started as a chairman, elected chairman of the council. So I see today as a rebirth to rejuvenate will start all over to do what I know to do best. I want to assure you, Your Excellency and my brother, that we will do all our best to make Ovia Northeast complete APC local government. Yes, I was called yesterday in the night by my brother that I must come here today. So it was a very difficult thing for me because I needed to reach out to a lot of people. But Your Excellency, I want to assure you, with little effort, there shall be no PDP in Ovia Northeast, as everybody is ready to come just to put the right record straight. So permit me, Your Excellency, I'll be working with my brother, the state chairman, the state secretary, who we have done a lot of things together in the past to ensure that whoever is remaining, our deputy governor is there, who we shall always run to, that whoever is remaining in PDP in Ovia Northeast and willing to come to APC, that will be done in a very short time.
Other big political people also show face for the event, wey included Edo House of Assembly Speaker Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, with other state lawmakers, Chief of Staff Honorable Ganiyu Audu, Senator Matthew Rohide, and former Deputy Governor Chief Lucky Maswe, among others. With the way APC they gather fire and Governor Okpebholo they win hearts, the by-election matter go hot, and APC no dey hide, say them ready take front seat. Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ujesali, TMC News.